So the first thing you're going to need to do is get the URL of the video that you want to analyze. Now I'm sure most of you already know how to do that, but just in case you don't, take a look at the bottom row of icons. We have the like button. We see that I have 28 likes. We have the unlike button, and then an arrow that kind of curves to the right. Click on that arrow that curves to the right. Now, this menu will come up. See where it says copy link? Just click on that. And the link, the URL, actually will be copied to your clipboard for you to use later. Next, we want to go to the CommentShark.com webpage. If you've been to this website many times before, you might have to scroll down to find something like this and click on the middle one, which says try our YouTube random comment picker tool. But if it's your first time, it's going to look a little more like this. This is what the page is going to look like when you first open it up. The lower portion is blank for the moment. But once you paste that URL for the video or short that you're trying to analyze, this page is going to change. The first thing that appeared is my video. You can see the thumbnail, the title, the name of my channel, and I have 47 comments on this video at this time. Below that, we'll see that we have several different options. Many times people will try to increase their chances of winning by leaving more than one comment. But if you select the unique authors option, the comment picker will only consider one comment from each channel. So I'll click on that to exclude duplicate comments. Next, you can include the replies in your search. I choose not to do that at this time. The next option is the number of winners. Now, according to this information, which I found on the website, you can select up to 50 winners. But there is a glitch in that system. Click on the number 1 on the button that says number of winners. I can't seem to delete the 1. Now this might be because there's only 47 comments. If I put 50 in, everybody's going to win. I expected that if I typed the number 2, it would overwrite the number 1 and I could pick 2 winners. But that didn't happen. It gave me 12 winners. And I typed the number 50 and I got 150. But I really only want 1 winner at this time anyway, so we're good. Next we have advanced options, and I'd like to see what they are. So I'm going to click on it and see what comes up. The first advanced option is text search. Now it's common to ask people to comment with a certain word or phrase if they want to take part in your drawing. So that's a good place to enter that. And note that you can actually choose comments that were only posted before a certain date or after a certain date right here. Next, I'll take my thumb and drag that button that says pick a random YouTube comment to the top of the page. Like this. Then get your camera ready if you want to record the winner being selected. Once you click that button, the comment picker will analyze your comments and pick a winner, and it will show it right below that button. This comment picker is free, but they also have a paid version. If you use it more than 1,000 times, they might contact you to try the paid version. but for now, it's free for a long time.
If you like this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.